Hello everybody, as you're probably aware, I've been making quite a lot of money with Bitcoin recently. Cryptocurrency in general is on the up. There's a lot of people contacting me, ask for a sort of how-to video to invest in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in particular. So this video is going to show you how to do it. Firstly, if we go to Xapo.com, that's XAPO.com, and click sign up, you choose your country and put in your smartphone number, and click the link in the text message that you receive and follow the instructions to download the Xapo application. Obviously you might want to pause the video at this point whilst you set that application up. Okay, welcome back. Now, once you're set up, we go back to Xapo.com and use the same details to log in. There'll obviously be a lot of things blanked out on this, so you can't see my personal details. In your Xapo app, under Profile, and then scroll down, you'll see Second Factor. You'll find your verification code. This changes every 30 seconds. Congratulations, you now have an online wallet with which to hold some cryptocurrency. So let's add some funds to it. Click add funds and you'll see an error message followed by a series of documents to prove you are who you say you are. In this example, I'd use a driver's license and a recent phone bill. Where was your ID issued? So obviously choose your country, and for me it is the United Kingdom. What type of ID do I have? For this I'm using the driver's license. Then type your driving license number in there. Okay, next we have upload your official ID. So this is obviously a photograph of your passport or driver's license or whatever ID you're using. You will need the front and the back. So once you've done the front and the back, we click next. And then ask you what country you live in, so that's United Kingdom for me. What city do you live in? And again, start typing in, choose whichever city it is for you. We then also have postcode, first line of address. Once the address is sorted, it's then a recent bill, which can be your phone bill, your utility bill, any kind of bill in the last 3 months. Once you've uploaded that, it will start processing and then deliver you a message. It basically states it could take up to 96 hours. I was very fortunate, it only took me 10 minutes for them to approve, and straight away I could start buying some Bitcoin. So the next process, while we wait for that, is to click the link in the description of this video, and it will lead you to this website here. So if we click get started now, it brings you up to this page, which is a simple sign up page. First name, last name, emails, password obviously needs to be memorable and secure. just like setting up an email address really. Now we have to prove that we're not a robot by clicking on all the pictures with roads in them, and then click enroll, and you will have an email now to the selected email address. You need to go and click a link in there that will validate your email address. Once that's complete, we go back to the login page, use the username and password that you've just set up. Once again, prove that you're not a robot and click login. This is the dashboard of your USI Tech website. This is where you can invest your Bitcoin, but we still need to add Bitcoin to our Xapo wallet, so let's do that for now. So we go back to Xapo.com, and the computer now should recognize you, but it will ask you for your PIN number. So if you want to go ahead and pop your PIN in, it then logs you in to your Xapo.com account. And here we click add funds, and this time it's letting us do it. We've got a choice of Bitcoin, credit card, bank transfer, online payment. I recommend bank transfer as the processing fees are the least with this method. So we're going to go bank transfer here, and then continue, and then add funds. I'm doing it wire transfer because I've got pounds. Again, you can do international if you're US dollars, or you can do SEPA if you want euros. Totally up to you how you do it. I'm just going to put £200 in as this is an example. You'll see the processing fee is only 10 pence, which I think is very reasonable. Then we click continue. And it says review your order. The wire transfer £200 with a processing fee of 10 pence is £200, 10 pence. Click confirm. Generates an order completion. Basically just tells you there'll be a delay in the processing of your payment if you get anything incorrect, and it gives you the bank details and the reference number that you need to send your money to, and the highlighted information here is the important information that you need to take to your bank, or you need to copy and paste into your online banking if that's how you do it. Now you may notice when you go back to Xapo.com, you'll see that your GBP wallet or your USD or however you've done it, your wallet will show an amount, but available will be 0, and that will stay at 0 until those funds have cleared. So skip ahead a few hours, and ta-da! There is now £200 in the bank. So if we go to transfer, and then we select from Great British Pounds to BTC, which is Bitcoin, and the amount to pay is obviously the 200 that I've got in there, and hit transfer. It's going to ask for your password again, just to confirm that it's really you. You press confirm transaction once your password's in, and it will then say that mobile approval is required. This is that two-factor authentication, just to make sure it's ultra secure. So you should get a notification on your phone that needs you to go into the app, and just to confirm that it really is you making this transfer. And once that's done, we see it come up here and tell us that the status is now complete. So next, we go back to our USI Tech login page, log in and save password, and we go to become an affiliate. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, agree to those pesky terms and conditions, and save. Then we go to the left and we'll see package options, then place order. It is vital that you tick purchase on BTC package. Choose your number of packages, again terms and conditions, and then go with purchase. Including the mining fee, the packages are $60 US as at today's rate. So for example, if you're going to invest $6,000, you'd have 100 packages, and if you had $12,000, it'd be 200 packages, and so on. Just put the number of packages in there that you can afford with your Bitcoin. So when you place the order, it gives you 15 minutes to send across the correct amount of BTC, Bitcoins. So what we do now is we highlight that code, see the long digits, make sure that they're all covered from start to finish, and then right click on it and copy, or you can press Ctrl C, whichever is easier for you. Then we go to our Xapo account, click on the word Bitcoins, and send. And then in the to box we press Ctrl and V, or right click and paste, whichever one is easier for you. I use Ctrl V here. And then I go back to the US iTech page, highlight the amount for 0.005181, and then Ctrl C to copy it, or again right click and copy, and then paste that amount into the amount to pay, and then we click send. It's going to ask standard priority or high priority. I always go standard because it's cheaper, but if you want things a little bit quicker, you can go high priority, it's no problem. Pop your password in there, so I'll put mine in here, and then click confirm transaction, and it asks me to verify the transaction on the mobile app. This is that second factor authentication that we talked about earlier. So go into your app and confirm that it's definitely you making this transaction. And there we have it, it is sent. So the next time we log into our US iTech dashboard, we will see active BTC packages 1, and the available balance will go up every day with the return on commission that you get from US iTech. It's currently on 0 as it's the first day. So let's fast forward a day. And here we see that we have some Bitcoin. This is the payout percentage of 0.86 overnight. They aim for 1%, so normally I find it averages about 0.86, 0.9, something like that, so nearly 1%. Of course, that's a good return on investment. So to put that in perspective, if you put $10,000 in, you'd be getting $86 per day, and that still doesn't account for the rising value of Bitcoin. So not only would you be getting that money back, you'd also be benefiting from the increase in the rise of Bitcoin. You can go in here to daily payout, and it lists all the days and all the payouts you've had, so you can follow and check everything. The more people have cryptocurrency, the more valuable it becomes, so please share this far and wide, give it a like, and if you've got any questions, of course, I'm always here as usual. Alright, thanks guys, and good luck with your cryptocurrency.